Hey guys, as I said, welcome to Rubicon. My name is Chris. What I'm going to do for you is run you a farm show and a farm tour. Collectively they're going to take a couple of hours. Here it is about 10:30, so thereabouts 12:30 we should be breaking for lunch. Working for a living is overrated. It is so much nicer to talk about work than actually do it. I'm going to use my dogs to put those 6 sheep into this little pen just here. That's my plan anyway. This is Flynn. Flynn is a Border Collie sheepdog. He's a male dog. He is 13 years old, but he is retired, and he is a happy dog, but he's retired. It takes 2 years to teach a dog to be a good sheepdog, and dogs are a little bit like teenagers. Some days they're really good, and some days they're not. For that reason, sir, what is your first name?
David.
David. Go right. So when you're ready.
Flynn, come out.
That was exactly
Like you mean it.
Flynn, come out.
This time a little bit louder and say please.
Flynn, come out, please. Yeah, like our teenagers.
Looks like you're going for a run. Let's everybody help him out. Everybody together. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Flynn, come out, please.
Yeah, the please don't really help. Go, sit down. My dogs are trained to listen to one person.
Yeah.
They should only listen to me. Because if we wanted to bring 3,000 sheep off the mountain, we might have 4 or 5 men, and each man could have half a dozen dogs. If every dog listened to every person, it's a mess. So my dog should listen to me. Just so you know, he's not deaf. Come out, Flynn.
Wow.
Wow.
Walk up. Walk up. I'm just going to put him up on top of those, under those trees. Walk up. Right. Flynn, come. Come here, Flynn. Good boy, come. Come here, Flynn. See how he nice and gentle, nice and quiet?
Yeah.
Come here, Flynn. Come out. Come out.
Kyle, who's messing up a little.
Come here, Carl. Come here, Carl. Let him go. Let him go. Sit down, Carl. Let him go. Come here, Carl. Sit. I was working with Kahu this morning only half an hour before you arrived, and I did this. He was perfect both times. Trouble is when we've got an audience, he gets a little bit excited. But never mind. You can understand how the Border Collie does things nice and quiet, and the Hunter Way does things a bit faster. Come and stand nice and close. Put your right hand on that. How long's it been your right hand?
Since I was down under.
Push. Can you push?
Oh, yeah, this way.
Push. And pull. And push. And pull. This time I want you to do a bit faster, but I don't want you to hit this and I don't want you to hit that. Pretend they're sheep. Push, pull, faster. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. See how easy that is? 1,000 sheep in 3 hours. 1,000 sheep in 3 hours.
All right, who's coming for? Okay, you 2 woolly ones.
Do you want the 2 woolly ones first?
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. I'll give you half a minute. You might not need half a minute.
No.
50%. Wow.
There you go.
Each tail every day.
About 5 or 10 minutes, twice or sometimes 3 times a day at the moment, but only 5 or 10 minutes at a time. You don't try and teach for half an hour or an hour. Alpacas come from Chile and Peru, South America, cousin of the camel, cousin of the llama. Here in New Zealand, they are farmed for their wool and breeding to sell. They get shorn once a year, about 10 centimetres of wool. It's a hollow fibre, so it's warmer than sheep's wool. The girls are pregnant for 11 and a half months. 2 weeks after giving birth, they can get pregnant again.
Wow.
They will only give birth on a fine day, between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. And I would like to say Monday to Friday. Chile and Peru, -20 at night time, 30 degrees during the day. Ma'am, you have a camera. Would you like a photo with my alpaca?
Yes.
Yes. You stand still and I want everybody else to put their bums on that wall. Right, so I want you to take your phone, see where that block and that bit of dirt is? Take your photos from about there somewhere. You come and stand on the block. I want your left hand on this. Put your right arm round and give them a cuddle and just bring the shoulder back.
Oh, that's cute. Oh. Wow.
You don't want to do it, right?
Stand more this way if you want to.
You don't want him in it.
Left hand, put your right arm round, bring your shoulder back. He wants your shoulder. Now come in and put your arm around him. Don't squash him. That's it.
1, 2, 3.
Couldn't see you.
The white one is with you.
Did I tell you the truth? Have I told you everything true?
But I'm impressed.
You're impressed.
Alpacas. I am.
Alpacas are cute. Cute, cuddly time wasters. So you're coming in, left hand, you know what to do. Now you can come and put your arm around. Yep, just don't squash them out. That's it.
I got some more. I'm getting the one. Yeah, we got some more. What's his name?
Oh no, this one.
So is the young
Feel
wool
much softer than is under there out of the wet.
is the young wool worth more than the old wool?
Yeah, softer it is. Farm, we have 3,000 sheep. And on this farm, the sheep get shorn 2 times a year. Some farms, the sheep are only shorn once a year. It depends where you live, what sort of sheep you have, what you're going to use the wool for, and a little bit about what Grandad used to do. The shearers go up into Italy, Scotland, England to help them shear their sheep. And in their winters, some of those shearers come down here to help us shear our sheep. If you want to follow the seasons, you can shear sheep all year round. 2 ways to shear the sheep. The old way with the blades. The blades today are still used in our mountains, and a good shearer would shear 180 sheep in 8 hours. Hard work. Most of the sheep in New Zealand and around the world are shorn with these machines, driven by the motor.
In there. Stay 59.
See, that one's in a hurry to be shorn. Shearing the sheep is like having a haircut, doesn't hurt the sheep. I'll shear it, you take your photos. When they're born, they have baby teeth. When it's 1 year old, 2 big teeth grow, and every year 2 more until it has 8 big teeth. There's no teeth on top, right? The teeth are on the bottom. And shearing a sheep is like taking a 4-year-old boy for a haircut. Sometimes they sit, sometimes they don't. And we're going to do the rest with the blades. Right, when I use the blades, look, it leaves a little bit more on. It's like leaving a jersey on in the mountains. Just wait, you wait, you keep your other hand out of it. Just wait. Right, now put your hand on here, wait till I move my hands. You wait.
Okay.
Go. Well done. Well done.
Oh,
Anybody else want to turn this? Left hand here, right hand on this, wait till I move my hands. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going forward. That's it. Anybody else?
Yeah, good.
Anybody else? Yeah. Right hand. Wait till I move my hands. Wait.
But it's only once a year.
oh,
Left hand first, right hand. Wait till I move my hands. No, the will stop. You're going to hold them together, okay? You can't hold them then, go so far apart. Wait. You can go too far apart. Just keep pushing, just keep going forward. Don't come backwards. Always go forward. That's it. Always go forward. Anybody else?
I want to try.
Left hand first. Right hand. Oh, yep. Well done. Come on, I'll do. One. One's enough for me. That's $3.20. All you need to know at the moment is that these sheep are Romney sheep. They are considered a meat sheep. When we talk about carpet quality wool, meat sheep. When we talk about carpet wool, we talk about a strong wool, a micron. They're generally 28, 42 microns. They are a coarse fibre, too coarse to put next to your skin. This is okay for hats and socks and an outside jersey. That's what this is. It's an outside jersey made of Romney wool. It is perfect for carpets. So we take the wool off the Romney 2 times a year, off the Perrindale twice a year, a Merino once a year, a Suffolk once a year. Depends where you live, what sort of sheep you have, but you have to share your sheep. Sometimes you'll hear people say, poor sheep, please don't share it. Poor sheep doesn't get shorn. Right? We do it for the health, not to annoy it. First thing I want everybody to do is...
Yeah, that's the first thing I did.
Smell that. I love the smell of an old shearing shed, and only old sheds smell like this. Brings back so many memories when we were first out of school and working in sheds. I love the smell. They used to say it was the smell of money. It's not now. It's now the smell of hard work. And basically that's all it is, hard work. Catch another sheep, drag it out, take the belly off, through the crutch, around the bum, over the top, step forward, up the neck, first side, last side, through the legs and into the pen. And again, and again, and again, and again, until basically there's no sheep left. It's something I saw about, I don't know, a month ago now, and everybody plays with it, pulls it apart, so it doesn't look much like a fleece anymore, but it is one fleece. This is one fleece.
Just what?
What we have here is a wool classer. Right, you're my wool classer.
Okay.
And we have our third wool handler. Right, another belly. See the quality of it? It's low grade fleece, it's low grade. Underneath that is white wool. But it's low grade, right? So it gets taken away right from the start, because we don't want that amongst our good wool, do we? Right, so it gets taken away right from the start. She would skirt that side and then she would roll it up and she would make some decisions. She ain't making anybody decisions, right? She's just skirting the sides. She's gonna make some decisions, put the wool into class 1, 2 or 3. Are you listening?
Yes, I'm.
And put the fleece into class 3, into that bin over there, class 3. Why is it going to class 3?
1, 2, 3.
No, that's 3 over there, 1's behind you. And so we like the over 3 inches. We like that 4 to 5 inch wool. See how easy it is to spin? So we skirt the sides, we roll it up and put it into class 1, because it's nice, bright, clean, white wool. When we sell the wool, it is sold as greasy weight. In other words, we've skirted it and we've classed it, but that's it. There's a machine that'll take 15 random samples of every bale. They go through a testing regime. There's we've got 10 bales, 15 samples, 150 little samples. The computer program will tell you what the average length is. It'll tell you what the micron is. It'll tell you how strong it is. It'll tell you how much vegetation and everything else that's in it. $3.50, sold at $3.50. What did I tell you it was worth a kilo? $2. Thank you for the $3.50. I was being offered $3.50 for my wool, class 1, and now I'm not being offered anything. Does anybody want a wool classer next year? You're back on the broom, right? So the way everybody works together determines what I as a farmer gets paid. Does that make sense?
Let's go find some sheep.
Yeah.
So watch where we step here.
on streets. I rode in one, but the horse doesn't care much about it.
Okay.